This croissant with crazy radioactive waves right now. Look at this. Oh, oh, it smells strong.
Ooh, something smells.
You can control the power of it. Look at this. World War II era. This is like fallout shelter type microwave. Can you believe this? Hi, Evan.
Recording the microwave?
Yeah, I'm talking about how old and disgusting this microwave is.
It's pretty nasty.
And it smells like rancid ramen. So I'm really excited for this croissant. I can't wait. Oh, look at this. Wait, let's do a poll.
A cheese pull?
Oh, it's hot. Do you see how it jiggles? Oh, it really burns. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, ready? Fuck. This is not satisfying at all. Wow. Now it's all just a piece of dough and it doesn't even resemble a croissant anymore. Let's try it. You know, so I just got a whole bite of dough. There was absolutely no chocolate in it.
Can I get one?
Yeah, here. Let's see the review. Oh, yeah. Okay, so you just put all your babas on that. And didn't even get a single bite. Come on.
This is hot.
You see how I put it in there for literally 10 seconds and it became like concerningly hot? That should not happen. That should not happen with any
Ouch!
Here you go. Okay, let's go find Lauren. Oh, actually, we can find a lot of people at BMC.
Wait, let me throw this out real quick.
Alright.
Which one? Which one it goes to?
Combos. No, it's... Open it.
I see cranberry juice in there?
Is there?
No, there's not.
There's Hawaiian punch in a can.
That head hurts.
Hawaiian... Oh, damn.
Oh, there's Luke and Aaron. Wait, should I zoom in there? Should I zoom in there?
Just walking. Hey, guys. Let's see what was around it. Wow.
It's a lot of laughing. I want to know what's funny.
Can you believe this? Okay, here we go. Let's dip.
Can you do the seamless transition? Can you do the transition?
Seamless transition.